Hi and welcome back to my channel. We're going to take a look at these EFE rail wagons that I got. And I got them medium weathered by the model centre. And we're looking at E87001, E87023 and E87024. And the 3 JIA NACO wagons. It's the Emery Blues, and they're all medium weathered. The 01 cost me £45.72, and that included £12 for weathering. 023 cost me £43.46, and that included the £12 weathering. And 024 cost me £43.46 also, and that included the £12 for the weathering. So we'll just take a look at these wagons that I got. All weathered by the model centre, so they'll all be different looking. And this is the E87001. And they all come with these. You get 2 pipes and you get 2 of the chain link couplings. So these are weathered by the model centre. I asked for medium weathering on these. I'll just tip it over so you can see that underneath. Again, they all come with individual running numbers on these wagons. Right, I'll just put it on the track. Again, they're free rolling. Right, I'll get the next one out. And this wagon is E87023, which has been medium weathered by the model centre again. They do a really good job, the model centre, with their weathering. You can get other wagons of these ones that they've weathered and put graffiti on, but they're outside my price range really. They're quite dear, but for the custom work that they do, it is a good price. Let's say it's outside my price range really. I couldn't justify it. I always try and get things in the sales. I say I don't mind getting these in the sales, then getting them weathered, paying the extra, getting them weathered by the model centre. But I just couldn't afford one that's over £100 basically. But like I say, they do look stunning. I have seen pictures of them. Right, I'll get this one on the track. Again, easily to run. No resistance. Right, I'll get the third one out now. And this is E87024. That's been medium weathered. The camera doesn't really give the wagons justice really. It doesn't show the weathering up as good as what you can see in real life with your own eyes. Let's say you can read all this writing. Right, I'll get this one on the track. Again, easy movement on it. You got all three together. I say they all come with individual running numbers. And I've got another one of these that I got previously. So I've got 4 of the ones weathered by Model Centre. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. But if you do subscribe, please watch at least 3 videos. And please comment on the videos. Otherwise, YouTube take the subscription away because they think it's a robot. They don't realize it is actually somebody that's clicked to subscribe. So please watch my videos and give me comments. They're very much appreciated, and I always answer my comments. So until the next video, I'll say bye for now. Everyone take care, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.